Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you the continuation part of the lesson 5 Continents and Oceans. All of you open your textbooks, open chapter 5 Continents and Oceans. In our previous class, we have learned what are the continents and we have learned about Asia. And today we are going to learn the continent Africa. Okay, see here. Africa is the world's second largest continent surrounded by water bodies on all sides. So, this is Africa. This is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, right? So, Africa is the world's second largest continent surrounded by water bodies on all sides. The Mediterranean Sea lies to its north, the Indian Ocean to its east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. As we have seen in the picture, the Mediterranean Sea. Here is the Mediterranean Sea. Here it is the Indian Ocean. Here it is the Atlantic Ocean. So, the Mediterranean Sea lies to its north. So, in the north, we can see the Africa is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean to its east, and east side, Africa is surrounded by Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. So, in the west, we can find Africa is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. Some of its prominent features are the Sahara Desert. So, this is the Sahara Desert in Africa. Sahara Desert, the Nile River and the Victoria Falls. See, this is the River Nile. This is the river Nile in the Egypt, and the Victoria Falls. This is the Victoria Falls. Okay. The Sahara is the world's largest desert. So, Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert, which is in the African continent. And the Nile is the world's longest river. So, River Nile is the world's longest river. And the Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls. And the Victoria Falls present in the continent of Africa is one of the world's largest waterfalls. And Mount Kilimanjaro is the continent's highest peak. We can see in this picture, this is the Mount Kilimanjaro. This is the continent's, means African continent's highest peak. Earlier, Africa was labeled as the dark continent because very little was known about it. However, this little is no longer valid now. Today, it is a flourishing continent. Flourishing means developing continent. Okay. South Africa and Egypt are some prominent countries for this continent. So, the prominent means most efficient continents of this efficient countries of this continent is nothing but South Africa and also Egypt. Now we see the continent North America. North America is the world's third largest continent after Asia and Africa. So Asia is the world's biggest continent, and second largest is the Africa, and the third largest is the North America. North America is the world's third largest continent after Asia and Africa. It is surrounded by the Arctic, the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans on the north, east and west respectively. So this is North America, continent North America. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, right? Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay. The Rocky Mountains is the most significant mountain range here. These are the Rocky Mountains. These are the Rocky Mountains in North America. These are the most significant mountain range here. The Isthmus of Panama connects North America to South America in the south. So we can see in the picture, this is the Isthmus of Panama. It connects North America to South America in the south. The Bering Sea separates it from Asia in the west. The Bering Sea separates the North America The Bering Sea separates North America from Asia in the west. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley is the continent's highest peak. So Denali, it is also known as Mount McKinley, is the continent's highest peak. This is the Mount McKinley. This is the continent's highest peak. USA, Canada and Mexico are some of its important countries. So some of the important countries of North America are Canada, USA and Mexico. Okay, we will continue the continent South America from the next class. Okay, bye children, thank you.